Introducing 2026 R1, coming soon, our first release feature video on improved Excel capabilities. Excel is already well integrated into Flownex, supporting everything from inputs to results and parametric studies. In this release, that integration has been refined to be more intuitive, more modern, and easier to use. There are two distinct ways Excel integrates into Flownex. The first is the Excel component, used for active data exchange within your network. The second is using Excel pages to control inputs, perform results reporting, and run parametric studies. We begin with the Excel component. The updated interface improves navigation and usability. The blue arrows can be used to show or hide the ribbon and side panels. Key tools typically found in Excel are available in these ribbon tabs, including graphing and formatting functionalities. Any property can be dragged onto the sheet and defined as either an input or an output. When this is done, a data transfer link is automatically created and a comment is added to the associated Excel cell to define the connection. This comment creates a direct link between the Excel cell and the Flownex model. This approach makes the setup more dynamic. As the sheet is restructured, the links adapt automatically without requiring any reconfiguration. This same linking mechanism is used consistently across Excel in Flownex, including input sheets, reporting, and parameter tables. If the comment is removed, the link and associated data transfer connection are also removed, giving direct control over each connection. Inputs can be received from a component, processed within Excel, and written back to another component. The Excel Workbook component enables flexible, inline data processing directly within your simulation. Next, we move to Excel-based pages. All Excel pages are managed from the Excel Report and Pages Project View tab, where input sheets, parameter tables, and reports can be accessed. These work together to provide a complete Excel-driven workflow. In the input sheets, model inputs are defined and controlled centrally. The updated Excel interface extends to these pages, providing a consistent look and feel with the Excel Workbook component. When dragging inputs onto the sheet, configuration options allow you to define how values are applied. For example, with two pipes in the model, roughness can be added to the sheet and applied to all components of that type, allowing the user to control the input from a single location across the whole model. Inputs can be toggled on or off, giving the user more control over when the functionality is used. Custom reports can be created by dragging results such as node pressure onto the sheet, where a configuration dialog allows control over how the data is displayed. Results can also be toggled on or off, and the Select on Page option allows quick navigation to the source component, which is especially useful in large networks. Multiple options are available to log results for transient simulations. After solving the steady state and running the transient simulation, results populate dynamically as the simulation progresses. Graphs can be inserted directly based on generated data, and they automatically scale to the selected cell range. The layout tools within the Excel editor can then be used to improve readability and presentation. This enhanced Excel reporting capability allows engineers to package and present results in a clear and structured way. Parameter tables combine input variation with result tracking to form another powerful tool. For example, flow velocity can be evaluated against a changing pipe diameter over a defined range. With the generated results, a scatter plot can now be inserted directly onto the parameter table sheet to visualize the relationship. Results from multiple components can also be included in separate sheets, making it easy to compare performance across components. Additional tools such as search and transpose make it easier to work with larger datasets. With improved usability and consistent dynamic linking, Excel integration in Flownex enables faster setup, clearer reporting, and more efficient analysis. If you would like to learn more about this capability, please refer to the release notes or consult the comprehensive manual for in-depth information. Additionally, if you have any questions or would like a demonstration, feel free to reach out to us at flownex.com and we'll be more than happy to assist you. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel for future updates.